Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Tamanna and welcome to my channel. And if you do not mind, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Okay, anyways, let's get into the video. So yesterday I was just going around my house and I just realized that I have so many books. So me and my sister, we both have been heavy book readers, if that is even a word. But anyways, we have collected so many books over the past that I would just wanted to show you guys. Like I wanted to make a book talk video, a book review kind of a video, and I just thought, why not do that? Because I have here more than 20 plus books. These are all the books that me and my sister. I think most of them are like mine. But also इसमें मेरी दीदी की भी books है because I got into the habit of reading because of her. Let me be very clear. Otherwise वो भी comment में कैसे भी बोलेंगी कि you just copied me, blah blah blah. She'll be like that. So anyways, I did not get into the habit. I just read the books that she bought for herself, and then I got into the habit of reading. That's all, sister. This is one pile, and then this you can see the upar ka pile, but then there's also books like that. So excited to show you guys all these books, and like I'm also gonna recommend a few books to you guys. Like if you guys are teens and you want to start getting into the habit of reading, then I'm gonna show you guys a bit. Like I'm gonna give you recommend books to you guys. And also, like, disclaimer, these are all fictional novels. Okay, so the first book I have here is Sydney Sheldon, Mistress of the Game, and iska I think और एक part था Master of the Game. This is the sequel, huh? The Master of the Game was the first one, and this is the sequel to that book. And yeah, as a child, I used to love reading Sydney Sheldon. So my sister is really into thriller and horror and all of that. No, she's not into horror. She's just into thriller and action a lot. And Sydney Sheldon, I think it was very easy to read Sydney Sheldon as a child, I guess. हाफ मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती थी, बट आई यूज्ड टू लाइक लव रीडिंग सिडनी शेल्डन, एंड वी हैव सो मेनी सिडनी शेल्डन बुक्स, राइट? कि हम लोग जब भी बाहर जाते थे इन बुक स्टोर एंड ऑल ऑल्सो ना, हम लोग हमेशा सिडनी शेल्डन का जो बुक हमारे पास नहीं है, हम हमेशा वो वाला बुक लेते थे. सो वी हैव लाइक एवरी बुक ऑफ सिडनी शेल्डन. एंड इवन माई सिस्टर, लाइक ऐसा हो गया था कि माई सिस्टर वो बस ऐसे ही खरीद रही थी बिकॉज शी डज नॉट हैव दिस बुक, बट शी हैज़ रेड इट. She'll just buy it because she needs it in her collection. So she was like that. And I think Chasing Tomorrow series is the best one. Like I love this series a lot. इसके लड़के का नाम क्या था? He was so hot. He's so, like, I think Sydney Sheldon के books में ना, the protagonists, they are described so perfect. Like इतना perfect description है ना उनके protagonist का. I love these books. Tracy was gorgeous. Jeff Stevens. If you are a Sydney Sheldon girly or fan and everything, then you know Jeff Stevens. Anyways, if you're like I guess people my age, like I guess people like above 20 years old, they don't read Sydney Sheldon anymore. But maybe if you're in your teens, like 15, 16, 17, 18, not even 18. Yeah, 18 works. Yeah. If you're in 15, 16, 17, 18, then I think you're gonna love reading Sydney Sheldon. Bloodline. I do not remember this. I do not remember this. But oh my god. ये तो हमारे स्कूल में स्कोलास्टिक होता था, राइट? तो I was done with Sydney Sheldon. I was in a phase where, like, I want to read something else. Like, कितना ही Sydney Sheldon का book खरीद के मैं पढ़ती रहूंगी, right? So I bought Agatha Christie, and देखो देखो देखो, पूरा सेलो टेप ये सब भी लगा है. हाँ, पूरा सेलो टेप ये सब भी लगा है हर एक बुक में. ऐसा है, पूरा सेलो टेप ये सब लगा है. आज तक नहीं पढ़ा. I think I read इसका first chapter and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. And I think people used to say that it's very difficult to understand Agatha Christie. And at that time, I was like, I can read it. I'm gonna read it. So I bought this book. But I think इसका first chapter पढ़ के मैंने कभी इसे complete नहीं किया. I should read it though now. I'm not into thriller anymore. I'm more into romance novels. The Naked Face. I think ये तो मेरे sister का है. I remember finishing this. So I am a very slow reader, alright? I am a very slow reader. And I remember finishing this novel in a day or two. And that was like, that's how good this was, if I remember correctly. But yeah, this belongs to my sister. इसलिए ये इतना पुराना है. But yeah, love it. The Other Side of Midnight. I do not remember this as well. A lot of books I do not remember actually, honestly. मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं है इनका क्योंकि इतना टाइम हो गया. Larry, Bill, Catherine. Oh my god. The smell of books. If you guys relate to this. To Kill a Mockingbird. I remember. I think I was in a bookstore and I wanted to buy another book and I did not know what to buy. So I went online and I checked like which book should I read and ये आया था उसमें show हुआ था. So I bought this and guys I do not remember. I am so embarrassed right now. This is such a bad book talk video. Message in a bottle. Who does not love this? तो आई थिंक मैंने ये पढ़ा था राइट एंड ये मैंने पढ़ा एंड आई थिंक द फर्स्ट टाइम आई रेड दिस आई क्राइड दिस ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू माई सिस्टर इसलिए ये थोड़ा सा इतना पुराना है yeah the first time I read it I was heartbroken. Should I tell you guys? Anyways, yeah, I was heartbroken. It was so sad. And guys, I am not someone who can take like sad novels, sad movies. Okay, I do not watch anything sad except Kal Ho Na Ho because that is one of my favorite movies and I would want to cry to that movie, cry watching that movie, but I do not like sad. And I read it because Nicholas Sparks, right? I have to read Nicholas Sparks. If you're someone who loves, like, who loves, I don't think anyone loves sad genre, but then Nicholas Sparks is the author. If you want to read something like, heartbreaking, I don't know what I'm saying, but like, Nicholas Sparks, the romance is gonna be good, the love is gonna be good, but the sad part, the heartbreaking, heart shattering to the core part, if you wanted, Nicholas Sparks is the man for you. The Notebook, I did not I did not read The Notebook, nor did I watch the movie. But The Message in a Bottle, this is the book that you are supposed to read. Okay, एंड सो अगेन जैसे मैं हर एक बुक के बारे में भूल चुकी हूँ वैसे ही मैं इसके बारे में भी भूल चुकी थी द मैसेज इन अ बॉटल आई डू नॉट रिमेंबर दिस सो आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग इट एंड फन फैक्ट इज यूजुअली ऐसा होता है ना कि आई एम रीडिंग एंड देन यू अंडरस्टैंड लाइक यू गेट इट लाइक ओ ये होने वाला है इस उसमें तो इसमें ना बहुत टाइम तक मुझे कुछ भी याद नहीं आ रहा था ठीक है लाइक व्हाट वाज इट आई जस्ट केप्ट ऑन रीडिंग 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 उसके बाद मुझे याद आया ओ नो आई नो what happens at the end तो उसके बाद तो मैंने छोड़ दिया था ये पढ़ना but yeah if you wanna read something then I would also recommend this book so it's a nice book. I was coming back from Vietnam and I saw a bookstore bookstall in the airport and I really wanted to buy something and her एक book now उसमें somehow like it's not somehow obviously it's translated in their language all right and I was like what should I buy because I'm leaving Vietnam and also I wanted to buy something right I wanted to buy a book तो ये थोड़ा सा हैबिट है थोड़ा सा गंदा हैबिट है कि मुझे बुक खरीदना ही होता है ठीक है तो I was like what should I buy तो मैंने सोचा कि प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस ही खरीद लेते हैं द क्लासिक. Everyone has to read the classic. We have watched all the classics, but we need to read the classics. हालांकि मैंने ये कभी खत्म नहीं किया, but yeah, love the movie. That's don't come at me, guys. Who has not read Colleen Hoover? Who has not read Colleen Hoover in our generation? Everyone has read Colleen Hoover, especially this. Everyone loves this, right? Verity. तो इसका जो नया version आया है ना, so okay. I have no words for this book. Love this book, but yeah, इसका जो नया वाला आया था, I think the hardcover के साथ, one more edition of one more chapter, right? वो मैंने नहीं पढ़ा अभी तक. I would want to buy it. दो ये वाला असली book नहीं है. I think I got this from Amazon. So I do not like this book very much. Though it's not like खराब हालत में नहीं है. It's you when you see this book, you just know that it's not the real one. That's all it is. Not my favorite, but I love this and इसका movie निकल रहा है, so I'm excited to watch that. Whoopsies, whoopsies. Okay, so I have separated all the books here, guys. I know who my favorite author is at this moment. And if you know me, you do not know me. If you know me, you know I am a romance comedy kind of a girl. Yeah, I'm a full rom-com girl. And Emily Henry, you have outdid yourself. You have outdone yourself. Like, she is the best. And if you love rom-com, right, then you are gonna love her books. You're gonna just love her books. I do not have book lovers here with me at present because it's with my sister, but guys, she is the best. Like, no cap, she is the best. Though I only have book lovers, all right, and this is my second Emily Henry book. I wanted to get oh no, actually, I was in search of funny story only. Yeah. पर मुझे हर एक स्टोरी ना हैप्पी प्लेस मिल रहा था एंड आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गेट फनी स्टोरी बिकॉज आई नो बुक लवर्स इज हर बेस्ट book yet, and उसके बाद I think it's funny story, so I wanted to get funny story. But this is just my second book, and honestly ये मैंने अभी तक खत्म भी नहीं किया है. I'm still reading it because I'm just being lazy and I'm not reading it right now. But book lovers, I love that book. I think वो मैंने अब देखो मैं स्लो रीड ही करती हूँ, अभी भी मैं स्लो रीड ही करती हूँ, तो मैंने बुक लवर्स भी आई थिंक 3-4 days में ख़त्म किया था क्या. और नो, आई वॉज रीडिंग इट वेरी स्लो, लाइक आई वॉज रीडिंग one chapter a day kind of a thing. So I took my time, but I loved book lovers, all right. Like, I laughed so much. I was all smiley, full butterflies, but I loved book lovers so much. I think book lovers is my favorite book. And all right, and Emily Henry is my favorite author at the moment. So yeah, this book, I'm so excited to finish this book because I already know this is gonna be amazing. I love Emily Henry. I am gonna buy all her books. So yeah, best author. That's all. So I'm gonna, like, 10 on 10 recommendation. Emily Henry, any Emily. I don't know, but book lovers is my favorite one. But I just love Emily Henry. So any book of Emily Henry, 10 on 10 recommended. Should we go to I do not want to go to mangas right now. I have a few mangas. I have some embarrassing books as well. Well, Cecilia Aaron, this belongs to my sister. ये मैंने पढ़ने का try किया था, but I did not like it, so I did not. No comments on this book. I get it. Some of you all might have loved this book. ठीक है, I am a rom-com girl, but इतना भी नहीं चाहिए था मुझे. Like, I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong about this book, but this was so cringe. Like, शायद at this moment, people who are watching me, they might be calling me, you are the one who's cringe. But this book, I'm sorry, I did not like it. It was too much to take. So मैंने ये कभी खत्म ही नहीं किया. Even though I saw someone loving this book, and then I was like, oh my god, I want to buy it. So I got this from Amazon. But I'm sorry, I did not even finish this book. So I do not recommend this book. Though I think if you're a teen, you're gonna love it, because if you want something romance, then you're gonna love this book. I cried. I cried. I cried so much. I literally recorded myself crying while reading this because I love this book. Like, oh my god, you made me cry so much. I wanted to be. I wanted to be with you. If I were like you, I wouldn't have caused anyone trouble. I wouldn't have left you and my family grieving now. Maybe I would have been able to live entirely for myself with my own unique worth and responsibilities. Don't get me wrong, my life was really happy, but I saw how you were just yourself without needing anyone to define you or be around you. I wanted to be like that too. This makes me sad. Love this book. Someone gifted me all the mangas I have, and I'm so grateful and thank you to you. Like, thankful to you for gifting me mangas because I'm also an anime girl and I love reading. So a garden of words. So basically ना जो mangas मेरे पास है, they are all like the first part only. So there's no point. Anyways, I have Your Name also. Love the movie, love the book. आई हैव ब्लू पीरियड, ये मैंने नेटफ्लिक्स में भी मैंने देखा भी नहीं है अभी तक. सो एंड आई डिड नॉट रीड दिस ऑल्सो. So I have to do that. A Silent Voice, I have watched the whole anime, so I did not read it, but yeah, don't come at me. I think so many people are gonna come at me for not reading the mangas. And I read this one, The Garden of Words, and also I loved it. So yeah. Colleen Hoover, Ugly Love, of course. Fun fact, again, I do not remember this, guys. Did I not finish it? What the hell, Corbin? He's holding me back. I read it. I just finished it. I'm so stupid. It's about Miles and a sister only, no? Yep. Just finished this book. I liked it. I'm gonna rate it like 8 on 10. Who does not remember Thea Stilton? Come on. I love Geronimo Stilton and Thea Stilton. I like Geronimo Stilton more than Thea Stilton, but like I only have Thea Stilton here at the moment. And guys, let me be cringe. My first motivational book, Manifest. Okay, so ये जब मैंने I was in Mumbai airport, okay, and I was just going around the airport, and then I saw the Crossword bookstore, and I was like, I want to buy books. So I think तब मैंने funny story तब नहीं खरीदा, but anyways I saw Manifest and I kept looking at it. So इससे पहले my sister bought Manifest, okay, and then I just read its first few chapters, and then I was like, no, I did not read, I just saw the book, and I was just so excited, like, oh my god, I can write something and all that. So I was like, even I want to buy. फिर जब मैं क्रॉसवर्ड गई तो मैं इस बुक को मैं ऐसे देखते रहे, and then I was like, I am gonna buy it. So yeah, I bought it, and अभी तक मैंने इसका सिर्फ फर्स्ट चैप्टर ही पढ़ा है. चिकन चिकन सूप, गाइस. चिकन सूप तो आपने पढ़ा ही होगा. अगर आपने पढ़ा ही नहीं है तो मतलब, like, if you're a kid, not a kid, if you're in class 6, 7, 8, I don't even know people if those kids watch my video, but yeah, as a kid, we used to love chicken soup. Like, I was in boarding school, and कोई भी chicken soup लाते हैं ना तो हम लोग पूरा book पढ़ते थे. Like, I was like, reading chicken soup used to be the favorite part of my day. So yeah, love chicken soup. Always gonna be a big chicken soup fan. Chicken soup for the soul, not chicken soup. I have Tintin, Adventures of Tintin. Used to love watching Tintin also. ये सब तो बचपन के थे ये. Okay, I was a little bit interrupted, but the next book I have here is by Rupi Kaur, The Sun and Her Flowers. This was gifted to me by my best friend Diksha. Thank you. And ये ना मैं जब sad होती हूँ ना मैं तभी पढ़ती हूँ, like when I need motivation and all. I really like this book. Like, I love the poems. And yeah, when I feel like I'm wilting, falling, rooting, rising, and blooming, depending on my mood, I read the poems, and I love this. Like, I think I have to buy another one of her books. So yeah, another one of my favorites. And yeah, if you can get this for yourself. I have Sydney Sheldon again. I have so many Sydney Sheldon. Should I show you guys all the Sydney Sheldon I have? Because I think I'll need another video to finish all the books, because इसमें तो already हो ही गया 20 minutes or something like that. So I think I'm gonna do another of my videos जिसमें थोड़ा सा embarrassing books they are बाकी है यहाँ पे. So yeah, we're gonna do that. And I love talking books with my friends, so I'm always telling my friends, oh my god, read this book, like, we need to discuss this books. And I would love to go to book clubs as well, but अब तो मैं घर में हूँ, तो I cannot go. But if I was in Delhi or somewhere, then I would have visited all the book clubs. Like, I love having bookish friends. book novelish friends. Anyways, that's all for this video, and if you like this video and if you like my recommendations, then like, share and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.